I've left the land of bondage with its earthly treasures. I've journeyed to a place where there is love on every hand. I've exchanged the land of heartache for the land of pleasure. I'm camping in Canaan's happy land. Every day I'm camping in the land of Canaan, and in rapture I survey its wondrous beauty grand. Glory, hallelujah, found the land of promise. I'm camping in Canaan's happy land. Yes, I've reached the land of promise with the saints of glory. My journey ended in a place so lovely and so grand. I've been led by Jesus to this blessed land of story. I'm camping in Canaan's happy land. Every day I'm camping in the land of Canaan, and in rapture I survey its wondrous beauty grand. Glory, hallelujah, found the land of promise, and I'm camping in Canaan's happy land. Every day I'm camping in the land of Canaan.
Not a bad spot for breakfast.
And in rapture I survey its wondrous beauty grand. Glory, hallelujah.